Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to do powers and exponents. So today this concept will be clear. Are you excited? Howdy. Okay, so let's begin. Just a second. Okay, so a question to you all guys. Why do we require powers and exponents? Why do we require it? You require it when you have a large number. So you must be thinking, what large number? What I must be thinking? Okay. So here, large number means like you have 2 into 2 into 2 and so on. So like that, like if you have 10 twos, you cannot sit and write 2 10 times. Instead, what you can do is you can write 2 is to power 10. This is in the standard form. This is in the standard form. Okay. So now let's come to the main point, powers and exponents. So before going ahead, we have some laws. We have some laws. Okay. So the first law is a to the power m into a to the power n. So which is equal to a m plus n. This is the first law. Just note it down in your book. Note it down again. Fast. Second law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So which is equal to, any guesses? Any guesses? In multiplication we had m plus n. In division what it will be? M minus n. Very good. Okay. Now this note it down, okay? Next is a to the power m to the whole raised to power n. Okay, here what we do is a m into n, which is equal to a mn. A mn. Okay. One thing is that in this division, so here a m minus n we got because we can make it in a fraction form also. A to the power m by a to the power n. So when we subtract these two, we get a m minus n. Okay. The next law is a to the power n into a, sorry, b to the power m. Okay. So here is, now you must be thinking what law we will apply. So the law is that we will multiply the base, exponent will remain the same. This a means like 7 to the power 10. If 7 is the base, 10 is the exponent. Remember this, it's very important. And this can be called, so this thing can be also called as, it is in the form of power notation. It is in the form of power notation. So now your question is 7 into 7 into 7. Power notation of this 7 cube. As simple as that. Okay. So here it will be a into b whole raised to m, which is nothing but ab to the power m. Understood this loss? So have you noticed a common thing here? Have you? Here there are no laws for addition and subtraction. We don't have any law for this. We only have for multiplication and division. Okay? Like now अभी बड़ी सी train we cannot make and go. Yeah? We cannot go like that, right? So it will be that will be the main form. You cannot go more ahead of it. Have you noted this class? I will just give 2 seconds, okay? Yeah, you can take a screenshot. Okay. Now I will give questions related to the exercise. So now I will be giving you some questions. Now cube of that power notation can also be called as exponential form. Exponential form. Now the question is 51 cube. Sorry, my handwriting is bad. 51 cube. We need to convert in power notation. Don't write in your paper like this. In dreadful power notation. Here are the students short form. Power notation. How will you do it? What is the meaning of cube? Cube means to the whole raised to 3. So 51 cube into 51 whole raised to 3. 51 cube. You can call like that. Okay. Next question. We have 13 to the power 13 to the power 9. 13 to the power 9. How will you solve this? How will you solve this? Any guesses? You need to convert in exponential form. 13 to the power 9. Correct, guys. It's correct. It will be 13 to the power 9. Are you getting it? Okay. Now I will give you a chart. You need to solve it. Okay. Okay, as you can see in this chart, I know it is like a little bit small. You can just you can zoom it out or take a screenshot and okay. Now 3 to the power 4 is the question. 3 to the power 4. What is the base? What is the base? As I told you, here 3 will be base. The power will be exponent. Okay. Now here in expanded form, you will write 3 into 3 like that you will write. Okay. And the whole value will be, see here, whole value 3 into 3, 3, 3. Yes. So here the whole value will be 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 9, 9. Multiply 81. So we can write 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Okay. So I think you can solve this chart. You can just take a screenshot. Fast screenshot. Okay, next. Now, okay, once. Okay. Yeah. So now let's find the values of a fraction. So fraction will be the same. So by b. A by b whole raised to d. Sorry, not b, d. What you will do is, here it is whole raised to d. If there is a bracket, it means whole. Okay. Here it will be A into A into A into A upon D into B into B into B. If the A's value is 2, B's value is 3, what you will wish 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, which is equal to 16 by 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 9 9 is a 81. It will be 16 by 81, which is nothing but, I'll write here, which is nothing but 2 to the 2 by 3 whole raised to 4. 2 by 3 whole raised to 4. Understood? Or you can even write 4 by 9 whole square. 4 by 9 whole square. Okay? Yeah. So now I hope you understood even this. The values how to find in fraction. Now you will be having in your book some questions like find the power notation. Suppose 1 by 27. 1 by 27. Okay. So here what you will do is, what is 27? What is 27? First you need to simplify. First find the large numbers in the given fraction. So the large number is 27. So 27 can be written as 3 cube. Okay. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. Okay. So here 1 into 1 is just 1. So the power notation will be 1 by 3 whole cube. 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay, still have a doubt? Still have a doubt? So now I'll give one more question. If the question is like 1 by 64. 1 by 64. So now find what is 64. 64 is 4 cube. Now you must be thinking, I don't know cubes, I don't know squares, I don't know anything. So what you will do is, you will find the prime factorization method. You will do the prime factorization method. So here it will be 2 by 32, 2 by 16, 2 by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 2, 2 by 1. I just wrote there is no space. It will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 64. Okay. So now here we have 3. We have 3, we have 6 times 2. So we can write 64 as 2 to the power 6, which is nothing but 1 by 64. Sorry, sir, not 1 by 64. 1 by 2 whole raised to 6. Now you are thinking, why I gave this 4 to the power 3 when answer is power 6? Because listen here carefully. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. Here we got 3 fours. क्या बना? 4 cube बना. 4 cube बना. Am I right? So it will be 1 by 60. Sorry, I'm really sorry. 1 by 4 whole raised to 3. Whole raised to 3. Now what we can do is, we can make it even 3 parts. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 आया, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 आया। अभी 2 बार 8 है तो 8 स्क्वायर हुआ। It will be 1 by 8 whole raised to 2, which is 1 by 8 square. Okay, clear? Now if you have both the places a number, both the places a number. For example, 49 by 81. Here what you can do is use the prime factorization method, or now I'll not do it because there is a lot more to learn. You can do and check. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Do and check it. Okay. So now you have got your 47 as 7 7 the 7 1 the. So it will be 7 cube. अभी 81 का क्या आया होगा? 3 3 3 so you must have got 3 how many times? 3 4 times. 3 4 times. So you can write it as 3 to the power 4 or 9 to the power 2. Here there is an important rule. Important rule. We need the power same. We need the power same. Now you must be thinking we can write like this now, 7 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 4. No, it is completely wrong. We cannot write like that. This is not in a standard form in a power notation. We require the power same. So here it will be 7 by 9 whole square. Whole square. Okay? I hope you all are understanding. Now we have a zero property, a zero concept in this powers and exponents. What it is? Any number to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. Now you must be thinking, how 1? Here 8 is there, no power, 8 into nothing, no power, so cannot multiply. So how 1? It will be 8 only now. How? You must be thinking, right? So here to prove 8 to the power 0 is 1, what we will do is first 8 by 8. Is it 1? It's 1, right? If nothing is there, power is 1. If nothing is there, power is 1. As you have learnt in the rule, 8 to the power m divided by 8 to the power n. We can even write it as a to the power m by a to the power n, which is nothing but a m minus n, which is nothing but m minus n. So now you must have got a conclusion. Here 1 minus 1 0 हुआ. What it became? A to the power 0 is 1. Verified? Done? Okay. Now 7 to the power 0, 6 to the power 0, 23 to the power 0. Prove how is it 1. Just take it down. Take it down in the book. Take it down in the book. Prove it. I'm giving you some time. Or you can pause the video. Okay, understood? Now we will go to the simplification method. Simplification method. Now here all the laws will be using. We'll be using all the laws. Now question is 11. One second, I'll write it here. 11 to the power 3. 11 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 by 121 by 121 into 5 by 121 into 5. Now you must be thinking इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन आगे भी क्या करने का रे बाबा करके you must be thinking, right? No worries. Here first method is that if there are no powers, power is always 1. If power is not mentioned, power is always 1. First, we will find the large numbers in the equation. We'll find the large numbers. So here, what are the large numbers? What are the large numbers? Tell me. What are the large numbers? 121, right? How can you write 121? Find. We'll do prime factorization method. 121. It goes by 11. 11 11 za 11 1 za 11 into 11. 11 यहाँ पर आया 11 यहाँ पर आया एक 0 यहाँ पर आया 121, correct? So here we can write as 11 cube into 5 cube upon 120, sorry, upon 11 cube into 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power 1. Okay. Now again we will use 8 a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a m by n. So here this is there a to the power m, a to the power n. So here what you will do is 11 to the power 0 you got 11 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 2, correct. 3 minus 1 is 2. 11 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 5 square. 5 square, 5 is 25 is equal to 20. Done. Finish. Over. Understood? Okay, one more question. You must be having one more doubt. Still having queries, right? Okay. Now we have a 5 cube into 3 to the power 5 into 6 by 3 square into 25 Okay. Now what is a large number here? Tell large numbers. 25, correct? And 6, correct. Now everything cannot be simplified. 3 square तो 9 हुआ, 3 cube तो 81 हुआ. Sorry, 3 cube तो 27 हुआ. Now what is 6? We can write 6 as 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Am I right? We can write 3 into 2. Now this we can write as 5 cube into 3 to the power 5 into 3 into 2 upon 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. Now here here 3 is there, here also 3 is there. Now if 1 3 went here, power will change, plus 1 became 6. Am I right? So it becomes 5 cube into 3 to the power 6 into 2. Now here I will do some arrangements. थोड़ा arrangement करते हैं. अब if 3 square 5 square is there, we will exchange them. We will write 5 square into 3 square. The most important thing is if the bases are same, then only you can minus the powers. Then only you can subtract the powers. If bases are not same, we cannot subtract the powers. We cannot subtract the powers. So here it becomes 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. So it will become, yeah, it will become 5 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4 into 2. Now you can simplify it more because your powers are same, but bases are not same. So we will use a to the power m into b to the power m log. So here we'll multiply powers 10 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4. Okay, understood. Tell me, understood? Did you all understand this? Did you all understand this? Okay. Now we will be learning scientific notation. We will be learning scientific notation. Now I'll give you a number. Okay, not such number. Now if this is the number, convert it in the scientific notation. So here, first rule is that the point always comes after the first number, after the first digit. So here, it always comes in the first digit. Now we will always imagine point is here. We'll take jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. अबे 16 jumps ले लिया and I got tired. I can't take more jumps. And you write the equation as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0, 4.5 into, wait, sorry. Point, and if you're writing point and rest all numbers here, and then you do it multiplied by 10 to the power 16. It is correct, it's correct. But in board you will not get marks, you'll get 0 marks. Because this is not the way to do. The point always comes after the first digit. So we will go ahead. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we took 24 jumps. We took 24 jumps. So now the number becomes as 4.5 6, 7, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, into, yes, into 10. How many jumps we took? 24 jumps, right? 10 to the power positive 24. We will not take negative 24. Now here, to find whether the power will be positive or negative, first we will check whether the number is greater than 1. If the number is greater than 1, we'll take that number as x. Then the power will be positive. If the number is smaller than 1, then the power will be negative. Then the power will be negative. So here, is this number greater than 1 or smaller than 1? Is it greater or smaller? Correct, greater. So power will be 10 to the power 24. If it would, now if the question is 0.007, suppose. Here, we'll check, is the number greater than 1? No, it's not greater than 1. So here, we will shift this point. Now here you will have some confusion, but no worries, it will be solved. We will shift it in negative when there is less than 1. We will shift it till the end. We'll shift it till the end. So here 0.007 will change powers. It will become 1, 2, 3 jumps. Then the scientific notation will be 0.07 into 10 to the power minus 3. Wait. I'm sorry. It will be 10 to the power positive 3 because we have the point. Sorry. If the number is this, it will be positive 3 to convert it in positive. If the now here we have made jumps and point is here, it will be 7 into 10 to the power minus 3. To the power minus 3. Sorry, there was a confusion. Now even you all got confused. See, I'll just explain it again. If you have 0.08, here we will move it till the end. Okay, 1, 2. 2 jumps. Is the number greater than 1? Greater than 1? No, it's not greater than 1. So, we will write the power as minus 2. So, it will become 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. If it would be 7 here, we will write 8.7 into 10 to the power minus 2. So here all must have got confused because here, as we have told, as I told him, if the number is greater than 1, the point always comes after the first digit. Here, even if it is smaller than 1, we will have in after the first digits. So here zeros don't have a value to put a point. They don't have a value to put a point. But these numericals have a point. They have a value. So now if the question is like, wait, yeah, if the question is 0.000004567, here we will put the point after the first digit. So it will be 4.567. Okay. So if you just practice it and watch it again, you will understand. Okay. If you want to practice worksheet, I will surely give it in the description. You can just write in the comment section. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And I will be doing like more math topics. Okay. Today we have completed powers and exponents. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I will surely clear it. Okay. Thank you.